explain those things into, I'd be more inclined to book it on. I mean, Dennis mentioned $50 this morning. I think if CRM pays $50 for that thing, I don't know what they're going to do. And someone, our buddy Sean Emery, who I'm going to have to track down to get on to, before the end of the year, he made an interesting point. Right. So this company, was this a direct listing or is this an IP? Do you remember how they did it?
Direct listing.
Yeah. Yep. So if they're getting taken out, I mean, it looks like it's going to be a premium to the listing, but overall, when you think about it, it's a big premium to where it was when it was at $15. It's a big premium where it was last month at $25. But just overall, when you're talking about, valuing companies and, where they're from the IPO, what's saying about, this company really, it hasn't done much.
Well, again, like the direct listing, they didn't issue new shares, right? They didn't raise any money via the IPO. It was just all the shares that were already in existence in the private markets then were moved to the public markets. So the valuation that they IPO'd at was their valuation as a private company. We know this, that these companies are staying private longer, and a lot of them want to stay private, and you go public really if you want liquidity, if you want an out in some way, shape, or form. That's what Slack did. So yeah, there's no like peg to the IPO price. It's not as significant on a direct listing. They didn't raise money at that point.
And the point that Josh Brown made, you don't have the support of Wall Street. Mitch, you're being kind of quiet back there. What, you got anything you want to add here in the last few minutes?
Yeah, so I mean, with work, I'd always pay attention to the customers that they had that were over $1 million. This was their most kind of focused segment. I know they focused on those big customers. And I think what it is here is I think CRM is saying that, hey, we do better at sales than you guys. So we'll take your product and get it out there and get a couple more of those $1 million customers and get the value out of it.